What's going on, folks? It's your man Jay, and in this video, this is more along the lines to talk about YouTube. Now, last week or about a week and a half back, I got an email from YouTube, more so the Google AdSense, how we get paid on YouTube and what's monetized and things like that. And I wanted to give a short video and share it with you guys about what's happening in the background. And I'm hoping that this really stands true for AdSense. Because I believe in pushing a more positive vibe on YouTube. You do what you feel about what you want to watch on YouTube. But if you know me by now, I'm always pushing for certain limitations on my channel. So in this email, I'm going to give you, it's a long email and I read it all. But basically what it talks about is demonetizing vulgar things on YouTube. Guns, murders, sex, drugs, all these things falls into profanity, all these things that tobacco, weapons, just, it's a very long email, and I took the time to read it because it applies to me in a sense that I'm not affected by it. Sexual abuse, sexually explicit content, adult things and family content, dangerous or derogatory content, enabling dishonest behavior. And I'm kind of reading some of the things off the email here. It says Google publisher policies, which outlines a list of content we won't monetize through any of our publishers' products. And for me, I'm making this video because this is good to me. I'm excited about them doing this. Anyone engaging in illegal content, child sexual abuse, children with sex, just anything explicit, they're going to demonetize you, and I'm happy about that. It goes on to talk about in detail under that, which is explosives, guns, shocking content, sexual content, guns related to products, other weapons, tobacco, recreational drugs, alcohol sales and misuse, online gambling, prescription drugs, unapproved paraphernalia, just a whole bunch of things. It goes on to talk about. And obviously it tells you how it's going to affect you. Now, the purpose of me making this video is because I'm actually happy about this. I really am happy that it finally in 2019, and again, I got this email almost 2 weeks ago. I just didn't have time to sit down and make the video, but I really am happy that they're leaning more towards this. How long this rollout will take to demonetize all these videos, I don't know. Now, let me say this. It's not that I don't want people to have some financial gain for being on YouTube. You present yourself on YouTube however you want. But a message to the creator. Be mindful of what you put on YouTube. Be careful of how you present yourself on YouTube. Because it's important to brands. They want someone of a positive light to reflect ads on. I wouldn't want my ads showing on top of someone having sex on YouTube or something sexually explicit, child pornography, or somebody getting their head blown off. For some reason in America, that's all that people want to see. The shock and awe treatment. People want to see that. And then YouTube is finally saying, we're going to stop this. We're not going to monetize these videos. And I'm happy for that, because that'll deter people because those videos, we all know that those videos gets millions of hits. Now, even though I'm in the tech space, I still look at YouTube, and we all know that we've clicked on a video on YouTube, and the next thing you know, 20 videos later, you say to yourself, how did I get here? Everyone has done that. That's on YouTube. There's no way. I don't know anybody that has never said to themselves, how did I get this far over here on YouTube? I was looking at glasses, and now I'm over here. I see somebody twerking, and some dude doing something crazy. It's weird, So YouTube can be a fun space, and I think that we should definitely try to grow it and such. Again, I'm in the tech community, but you probably say to yourself, well, Jay, it doesn't really affect you too much because you're in the tech community, but you'll be amazed at the things that you see on YouTube, even if it's dealing with tech. So there are a lot of tech reviewers out there that use poor choice of words. They present themselves a certain way, and they go as far from technology as possible from what I can see, and I don't watch them. So because we all have a personal choice of who we want to watch. So you know, as an adult, you need to present yourself. I would hope that you would present yourself in a way that's respectful to other people's children, or if you have children, think of stuff like that when you're doing your tech videos. And it's unfortunate that in the comments section of tech videos, there's a lot of ignorance, and there's a lot of racism and a lot of sexual content being pushed out and or in comments. There's just a whole bunch going on. And it still kind of shocks me to this day, man. I'm thinking, wow, you can't just focus on the case. You know, you got to talk about something completely different. And the worst part about it is that people engage. And so on my channel, I've always been a person who deleted comments. I don't care what anybody says. Why are you deleting comments? Well, you ask yourself this: why would I leave an open platform for you to curse out other people? Go create your own channel and you go curse people on your channel. You won't get very far. You know, childish name calling and stuff like that. I just don't tolerate any of that stuff. I just delete it all, man. I mean, I have a lot of filters, so I don't have to delete much from the actual videos, but it's important to me to maintain the positive vibe. And I want to give you guys a positive vibe at all costs. And I want you to be in an environment on YouTube that you feel comfortable commenting on. Some people just don't comment because the fear of getting attacked verbally, you know, so they just don't comment. So anyway, all that content on YouTube, they're going to demonetize it or not monetize it at all. And I'm super happy about that. I'm so happy because those videos get way too much attention. Someone dying, someone getting hit by a car, their legs broken. People love that shock and awe. And we really should not glorify those things. And there's things in tech that we shouldn't glorify. But the vulgar part of YouTube, I can't wait for them to dead away with it. I can't wait till people aren't even allowed to type curse words or racial slurs or just anything like that in the comment section. I'll be glad when I don't have to filter that. Anyway, it's your man Jay. Did you get this email? Do you know what I'm talking about if you're a creator? Comment down below if you got the email and you have something to chime in on about it. And if you're not a creator, you chime in too. Because do you want to go to comment sections, or how do you feel about things on YouTube that are extremely vulgar and just not appropriate? It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed this PSA. Yeah, I think I'm going to end right there.